So as you can tell from the title, I have a Leica M EV1. For this video, I'm just going to refer to this camera as the EV1. The guys over at Rangefinder have been absolutely amazing to send me this camera for a couple of weeks to test. And they've also given you guys a new promo code. You will get free shipping on the Leica Q3 43, the M11P black and silver, and also the Leica M EV1. Plus, there is also a discount on those cameras as well. All the information is down below in the description, so please check that out. I've not actually seen one of these cameras in real life. I've only seen photos like most of you and videos online, so I'm really curious to see what this camera looks like. So this will just be a quick unboxing, give you my first impressions of the camera, and then there will be a follow-up video very soon, because I only have this camera for 2 weeks. Well, that's what they've said to me. I've got to be very careful how I open this box. This is a brand new camera, so the box opens like this, like all their new boxes. I'm going to put that down there that Leica are doing, so that slides off of there. I don't want to damage any of this because this is a brand new camera. Done. Still no plastic around the cameras. Okay, right. So put that out of the way. Oh wow. Oh, that's nice. Oh, I actually quite like that. I'll talk about the body in a minute. Let me just put it down out of the way and let's see what else comes in the box. Okay, there is a card that has the information on the person who inspected the camera. I just want to see if I can let me do this. Probably the worst way to do it, but there. So let's put that there. Put that one there. So in here you would have all the information and a manual, I guess, or quick start guide, sorry, and that's in multiple languages. So that's what you get in there. Okay. Oh, what's in this box? Okay. Leather neck strap, which I don't ever use. So we'll put that back in there because I don't want to damage that. And you got obviously a battery. Now it's the same battery as the M11 cameras. I have spare battery, so I'm not even going to use that battery. And there, close it up. Now, is there anything else in the other box? I'm guessing that there's just a USB-C cable in here. Nothing else. Yep. That box is just for that. That's quite a cheap cable, to be honest with you. So, M11P EV1. Front, side, back, and top. So they're exactly the same size, except for the EV1 is missing the ISO dial, and I guess the reason for that is because it's got the EVF in there. So I'll put that out of the way a minute. First impressions of the camera. It's light, very light. Feels nice in the hand though, I must admit, and it kind of looks like a cross between an M11P and a Q3. You've got the top part of a Q3 and the lower part of the camera, or the screen and everything else, is an M11. That's actually quite a nice looking camera. Yep, very light, very comfortable. This is a different finish on the front. So what is a Leica EV1? It is the internals of an M11. I have an M11P, but it's the same internals of this camera, same mount, but it doesn't have the rangefinder patch, which is this part here, which is what you focus with. It's an optical, so you see the real world through glass. You don't see through the lens like you used to with DSLR cameras. You actually see through here, and then there's a mechanism in there that shows you the focusing, which is two ghosted images come together and then you focused. It's a very manual hands-on camera. You can add an EVF to the M11 series by the hot shoe, but then it really turns the camera into a mirrorless camera. Doesn't keep the rangefinder style of camera, which is the viewfinders off to one side. So this kind of has the best of both worlds. It has the internals of an M11, so it has the same sensor and it has 64 gigs of internal storage. If you go on to Leica rumors, Facebook pages, forums about this camera, you'll see a very divided community. And I think a lot of people have missed the point of this camera. This is not replacing the M. This is a new line of camera that has an M mount. And it's for a different type of M shooter, or people that want to start shooting with the rangefinder style camera. If you've ever handed an M camera to somebody to shoot with, well, the first thing they actually say is, how much did you spend on that camera? You're crazy. They try and focus with this rangefinder patch, and they find it really frustrating, annoying. Some people get it straight away, a lot of people don't, and they really struggle with the rangefinder patch. So what Leica have done, they've introduced a new camera that is an M mount, so it's manual focus, but it has an EVF. No optical rangefinder. So you are using an EVF to focus, so you're going to get focus peaking, you're going to get the punching on the actual EVF, and you're going to be able to see exactly what the lens sees, because that's what the sensor's seeing and it's passing it through to the EVF. And another nice thing about having an M mount camera with an EVF is you can use wider lenses like this 24mm 2.8. I absolutely love this lens, but it is very difficult to shoot on my MP because I have to use live view. I can't see what I'm framing because it's wider than the frame lines on this camera. And that's the advantage of the EV1, is that I can use lenses that are wider, say, than 35mm. 28mm is still quite hard, especially if you're using glasses. You can't see the frame lines too well. But a 35mm is perfect on that, and that's what I shoot with, basically, 35mm Summicron. But now I can use my 24mm f2.8 on the EV1. If there's anything you want me to talk about in the upcoming videos on this camera, I only have this for 2 weeks, please let me know down in the comment section if there's anything you want me to test, because I will have a couple of videos on this camera. I will have one video actually using the camera and another one on a couple of lenses I got. One of them is over there somewhere, which I've already featured, which is the Typoc Samara C 35mm T1.5, which is a cinema lens, which is M mount, but it doesn't work with my M11P, but it will work with this camera. And I have another lens which I'm not allowed to talk about, which is released in December, which is a Leica M mount lens, and that will be perfect for this camera. Yeah, I actually do really like that. That is a really nice camera. So don't forget, Rangefinder have a new promo on. You get free shipping worldwide via Fedex, and they have a discount on the M11P black and silver, the Q3 43, and the new EV1. They have these cameras in stock at the moment. I am super impressed with that. Do I need it? Do I want it? I can see this being a really good camera to use for smaller editorial jobs. I do really like that. Okay, let me start putting together a review video on the EV1. And don't forget, if you want me to include anything in that EV1 video, let me know down in the comment section. So that's it for this video. Hope you guys have enjoyed it. And as always, thank you so much for watching.